Hi friends, welcome back to Property Finders and also visit our website propertyfinders.co.in. Friends, this is a brand new triplex independent house for sale which is located in Jubilee Hills. This is a ground floor area. It has got 3 car parks. The total plot area of this property is 355 square yards and the built up area is 7,000 square feet. These are all the car park area for the building. We property finders have different open plots and villas in Jubilee and Banjara Hills. If you are looking to buy flat, plot, independent house or a villa in Jubilee and Banjara Hills, you can call us on the number mentioned on the screen, that is 94916 42141. We can provide you the properties as per your requirement and the budget. Please call us. If you have any property for sale and lease or for rent, you can call us. We can get you the best client for the properties, whatever you have. We are into all verticals of real estates, that is residential, commercial, and independent houses and villa projects and gated community residential flats, gated community apartments, industrial lands and commercial sheds and agricultural lands. Now we have entered into this building's main hall. This is the living area. You can see the lift and the fall ceiling done for this place, and this is the open kitchen for this property. You can see the staircase and then a washroom here, and this is the living area, and this is the dining area for this building. On the ground floor you have a kitchen, a dining area and a living room and a bath washroom and the lift for the upper floors. Now we are going to the first floor of the property. It has done very good wooden railing is done for this property, and vitrified tiles and marble is used at different places. Even on the first floor you can find fall ceiling done properly with lighting. Proper lighting is provided and ample ventilation is available. This is one of the bedroom, and the entrance for this first floor you have the lift over here. This is the huge bathroom, that is washroom here. You can close this bedroom for entering people on the first floor. You can allow them to come to this floor while using the staircase. And this is the toilet. This is one again a master bedroom for this first floor. Proper ventilation is available. This is the wash area for this master bedroom, and you can see a very good view of the city from this place. And similarly, now we are going to the second floor of this property. This is the living area of the first floor. We are heading to the second floor through staircase. Vitrified and marble is used for this property flooring. Now we have entered to the second floor. You can see similar first one bedroom on the left hand side with attached toilet, and the entrance for this floor is also available through the lift. There is a separate gate door available to avoid people coming in the bedroom. You can close it and use it as a bedroom also here. This is again a living area and a washroom, separate washroom. And this is one of the master bedroom for this floor. You can have a very good city view from this place, as this property is on a very good height of the Jubilee Hills. Even this floor is also done with the fall ceiling. Wash basin is there in the wash area. Proper ventilation is provided. Fans are fitted. You can see the very good view of the city from this place. It's a brand new house, unused until now. Just you need to repaint it. Now we are heading to the headroom, that is to the terrace of this property. This is the headroom area of this building. The property is very clear. You can get bank loans for this property. So for site inspection and more information about this property, please call us on 94916424141, the number mentioned on the screen. And please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our channel. Thank you.